Hey YouTube, Alex here. I just want to make a really small video why I don't do any videos right now, why I don't do any live streams right now. It is not because you guys, it's not because I don't have time, something like that. No, it's because my PC where I doing my editing, where I doing all this stuff, all this SEO stuff is actually currently I crushed my CPU just recently. I can see it right now. I had on the CPU some of the pins were broken and I bought a new one. You can see here it's an AMD 9 ryzen 9. You can read it here, AMD 9 3900X 3900X. It's not the best one, and actually for my motherboard the best one I can get is actually the new one, the Ryzen 9 5950X, but it's a little bit too much of money, and I said okay, 12 cores is okay, and it's better than than the Intel 1900K, I believe. And what happened actually? So basically, I now put it in. You can see it here. This is my PC. It's my first PC I built. And before it worked, because I had the normal primal sphere from when you get your AMD processor, you get your onboard prism from coolmaster. And now I have my nzxt, I believe, yeah, nzxt. This one, I got this one right now. It's 30. Can you see it? Yeah, Z63. And because I built it in, I don't know why, but since then I could not do anything. But first of all, I have, of course, I've destroyed my CPU in the first place, and in the second place is I couldn't. When I click and want to make a run, I cannot run, and therefore I have made some research, and I had actually this one. This is my energy thing, right? And this is energy support plug. And what happened here? Well, basically this one from Enermax, Max Pro 2. And it's not a bad one, but I just want to say is I did my research, and it is not, let me say, right now, like you can see, I have a GeForce 3070X from it's from Asus, and my motherboard is from Asus. And yeah, and what happened actually there, basically it can run, but it's not so good for it. And you have labels, you have 80, you have 80 plus silver, gold, and something like that, and this one has nothing. This one doesn't have any silver, any gold plaquette. It's just written that it's good for the environment, so I bought it, and it's what, $50. So it says just 700 watt. It's not enough. I need at least 815, and this is why I bought a new one right now. And I can just from Corsair. I have ordered one from Corsair, RX 850X plus 80 gold, and I want to figure out if it's good or not. If not, before I change my motherboard, because my motherboard is pretty good, I have right now an strix B550F, and this is actually, it has a better cooling performance than the X700 570X. They have better the X570, I believe, yeah, F also, yeah, and they have better cooling performance than those one. what I have here, so it's overall better. And I can also have my RAM with 128. Currently I have just 16 RAM. But maybe next month or something like that, if everything works, maybe I will buy additionally like 32 RAM or maybe 64, so I have more and I can max it out. And yeah, this is actually why I'm currently not doing my live stream with cell phone. And before I am not having my own thing up and run, I don't do any live streams because I have a lot of stuff to cover with UPW. You might see actually also the new stuff that I have there on my YouTube's actually mostly UPW, and also the stuff that I'm doing the live streams is mostly just stuff from UPW and plus stuff that I'm also know. It's not just like copy paste that people are telling me. No, I'm actually thinking about it and putting it's also in my own words and not just copy pasting it. Of course, the information is already known, it's NLP and so on. However, I also updating it on new knowledge that I get from other courses that I'm also currently attending. So guys, I hope you have an awesome day. I hope you enjoy currently, and I really apologize that maybe this is the last week I couldn't do any live streams. It's just technically not possible, and next week maybe I will do. I hope that I will get it. If not, maybe I have to figure out if the cables of my case are okay. I mean, they are pretty inside. You can see it. They are pretty inside here. They're also inside here. I don't see any thing that might be broken or something like that. I mean, I can exchange them though. I can exchange them. This is really cool when I can exchange them. And here you can see it's also pretty good. I mean, today I have also seen if the control panel from the front it's actually okay or not, and I have figured out that it's okay, and I put it again in the right orders and tried out, and it hadn't turned on. However, when I put this one and try to turn on with this one, right? That's one trick how to turn them on. You just put this one, I don't know, like paper clip. You put a paper clip inside of this cable, this 24 pin cable. You turn it here, and the third one from the right, the third one and fourth one on the bottom, on the bottom, not here but here. This one, not this one but this one, okay? And like this one, not the above, this one. And when you put it here, what will happen is, you can see that it's running. I can show you maybe if you want to. And it is actually running. And the thing is, what is not activating is when I put it inside and click on the and click here on the enter. Nothing happens. I mean, currently nothing happens now right now because I don't have my power supply there. But even I put in there, it doesn't work now. And maybe this is actually the power supply I have to exchange. And it's actually not modulary. You can see it has so many. They are already plugged inside. You don't have a good cable management at all. However, like when I put myself, what I'm ordered is actually white one because I have a white case. I want to have more white build. I mean, okay. I have my graphics card and my motherboard is black. I mean, I cannot change it. It's okay. Same goes for the nzxt. The generator is not white and pump is not white. But what I can do, I can put strings I can make in white, or I can make the coolers I make them white too. So yeah, maybe I can kind of organize it somewhere somehow. So basically this is what happened right now, and I hope you have an awesome day. Comment in the comments box down below what you like the most, and yeah, see you next week or so. I hope you're doing good, guys. My channel is still there, so don't be afraid. I am still doing my stuff, okay? Have an awesome day.